Little artists, welcome to Color in Play. Today, we're drawing a big, friendly blue whale. Do you love ocean animals? Let's dive in and start drawing. Can you guess what shape we're starting with? That's right! A big, round oval for the whale's body. What's your favorite sea animal? Now, let's add the whale's tail. Did you know whales wave their tails to swim? Let's make it big and curvy. Look! Our whale is getting a cute little fin. It's coloring time. What color should we use? That's right, blue. What's your favorite ocean color? Do you think whales like to high-five with their fins? Let's give our whale a big, happy smile. What do you think? Should we add eyelashes to make it even cuter? Wow! The blue color looks so nice. Should we add some lighter blue for shading? It'll make our whale look even more real. Let's give our whale big sparkly eyes. Maybe even some tiny pink cheeks. What should we name our whale? Let's